Wi-Fi missing from your Windows 11 laptop. Trying to connect to Wi-Fi but your network just isn't there. If you are facing this issue, don't worry. I will share some quick fixes to solve Wi-Fi networks not showing up on your Windows 11 PC. First is restart your PC. Try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches causing Wi-Fi networks to vanish. Second is restart the Wi-Fi service. Press Windows plus R to open run. Type services.msc and press enter. Scroll down the list of services, right-click LAN auto-config and select restart. If the option appears grayed out, choose start. Additionally, check if LAN auto-config is configured to run automatically at system startup. To do that, double-click the service and ensure the startup type drop-down is set to automatic. Next is reset all network settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet. Scroll to Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset and then Reset Now. Restart your PC. Enable Disable Wi-Fi Adapter. Open Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. If you see the Wi-Fi adapter, right-click, Disable. Right-click again, Enable. If Wi-Fi is not listed here, the driver is missing, restart your PC and check again. Run Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Windows 11 has a built-in troubleshooting utility that automatically scans and fixes issues with network adapters. To run it, right-click the Start menu and select Settings. Go to System, Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Then select Run next to Network Adapter. Last is Update Wi-Fi Driver. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi Driver, Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Make sure Show Compatible Hardware is checked. Try installing each available driver one by one. If you want a faster and easier way to update all outdated drivers automatically, download and install Advanced Driver Updater. You will find the download link in the description below. Launch the program and click on Start Scan Now. The tool will detect outdated drivers on your system. Click on Update All to automatically install the latest correct versions. So that's it. These are the most effective ways to fix missing Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Hopefully one of these methods work for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos.